All right, you guys, it's 6:43 in the morning and we're gonna get ready for a wedding. So the wedding is not until later, but I'm always up early, so. So I laid out everything that I'm going to be taking. A, to write a list of what I might have forgotten, and B, because we're gonna clean out my travel case and we're gonna wipe off some of my products because, you know, when they're all in there together, they get messy. Like this has lip pencil shavings and stuff like that, and I like it to look nice and clean and neat when I am doing my makeup jobs. So yeah, and these are all the brushes I'm gonna take for today. I only have 3 faces today, and I'm also gonna take an additional jar to throw the dirty ones in so I don't cross-contaminate. This is what we're gonna be vacuuming and wiping down. This is highly used and I will give you the name and all of that for this travel case. I don't know if it's still available, but I love it. This is my old business card, but that's how long I have been using this, because that's also my old business name. I don't even go by that anymore. And there's my coffee. Coffee is ready. Alright, so we are all vacuumed, and now we're going to wipe down. Certain stains are probably not going to come out, but that's okay. And I have so much glitter in the bottom. By the way, these keys lock it. I need to take them out of here and put them somewhere safe. So I'll do that. But yeah, so now we're going to wipe down. Look at my old card. So, by the way, I also took out all the dividers. Just so I can get in here and clean properly. And go in there with some Lysol, kill any bacteria. I don't know where I left off because my phone was full, the storage was full, so we're gonna make this quick. For the rest of this, I'm just gonna speed through and do the rest of, I really just have my eyeshadow palettes left to clean off. And then I will show you how I pack it. But lastly, I am going to explain how I finish up your face. So after I've done your lashes, I will then go in and set your concealer, your foundation, and lightly dust off. And then we are good to go with some setting spray. After that setting spray, I'm going to line your lips and add your lip gloss or your lipstick, and your face is beat. Okay? So yeah, so we're gonna finish wiping these off, and then I'll come back when it's time to put it all in. Here is the case, nice and clean. On the bottom, we're gonna put our largest items. This is my dirty bin for dirty brushes. And I'm just gonna put that right there. Then I'm going to add my eyeshadow palettes in the bottom. Actually, no, we're gonna put the clean brushes in. Here's the clean brushes. We'll put these in like that. There we go. And now I'm going to set my eyeshadow palettes down here. And I think I'm just going to stand them up like that. We'll stand those up, don't worry. Got a lot of Juvia's Place. Love Juvia's Place. Got our smaller eyeshadow palette right here. So we've got our eyeshadows down there. What else I'm gonna put in the bottom is my little smock. The smock all folded up. We're gonna put that right here. And then I do carry my brush belt, but I really don't use this anymore that much. I like standing it up in the container. I just feel like I can see better. I don't know. We'll put that here. And actually, I think I'm gonna move this, since I know I'm using this, but I don't know if I'm gonna use my belt today. So we'll actually put that in there like that. So the bottom is all set. And now we've got all the rest of this to put in there. I'm going to start with concealers, and I'm going to place them here. And then I have these little dividers so that we can keep everything in place. Alright, so the concealers are there. And I think I'm going to put foundation here. Perfect, foundation is here. So on the next shelf, I am gonna, oh, I forgot to add a concealer, my concealer palette there. So for the next shelf, I think I'm gonna do bronzers, highlighters, and face powder. So bronzers, highlighters. Actually, I don't think it'll, yeah, it's not gonna close if I do it like that. So we will do this. Powder. And that's just like a little cream blush right there. I think I will also add, I think that shelf is good. We're not going to put a divider in here. The next shelf is going to be my primers and my face setting sprays. Got the setting sprays and primers in here, and since we have space to put a divider, we are going to add another divider up in here. Now this part is where it gets a little bit tricky, but not bad. Got that in there. So I think on that side I will put all like my mascaras, liners, brow tools. That's what I'll put over here. Okay. So there's that. So here I'm going to put all my lip stuff that I'm going to take with me, including my lip liner. And I think I'm also going to include my disposables up here. So maybe I'll put another little shelf. Not a shelf, a divider. And I'm going to throw in my sharpener for my lip liner. Here, as you can see, I've already put my lashes, a tweezer, and my lash glue here. I also added a divider, and on this side I'm going to put all my brow tint stuff. Brow tint stuff is in. I added another little divider, and I think I'm going to just throw a couple loose eyeshadows in. These were already in here, so I'm just going to leave them there. Oh, and here's like a loose glitter. I guess I can add that in there too. And then that's going to leave room for my other disposables, like my cotton rounds. So I'm going to put a divider here. And in this space, we're going to put cotton rounds and probably a micellar water, because I do like to wipe my client's face off prior to putting any makeup on. I have one here, but I'm out. So we're going to pick up another micellar water. And this time I'm going to pick up the one with the blue cap, because I usually always pick up two. I'm going to go to the travel section this time and get the smaller ones, a blue one and a pink one. The pink one, it has oil in it. The blue one does not. So if I have a girl with lash extensions, this will be lash extension safe if I use the one with the blue top. So always remember your lash extension, girlies. So here we are, pretty much all packed up. I'm gonna make a list of what I still need, and I'll put that list on a sticky note and put it on top of my travel case so I do not forget, because I am forgetful. There are times where I pack like an entire roll of paper towel, and I might still do that. I might do that because I do like to lay my stuff out on a paper towel depending on where I'm at. Like if I'm at the client's home, that way it's less cleanup for your client as well. So we are traveling light today because, again, I only have 3 faces to do today, I know exactly what they're getting. I know what their skin tones are like, so I knew exactly what to pack. Some stuff in here is extra just because I had it in here already, but other than that, we have packed light and we're ready to go for our makeup job. And if I can, I will take video once I'm done, before and afters. So I just wanted to show you guys the outside of the case. There's the handle. It's on wheels. The handle extends up and down. And it's very easy to move around. Like, I love this case. And I will try to link it below if it's still available. I kind of want to put my name up here or something. We'll see. So I just dropped the kids off. I'm on my way to the studio so I can get the stuff that I'm missing, and then I'm also going to pop over to probably Walmart. I'm thinking Walmart.